Oh, hi guys! This is Gerarcas and welcome back to my channel. Isa ka ba sa mga content creator na nakaka-achieve parang requirements ni YouTube about monetization for getting the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours? Isa ka ba sa mga content creator na ang daming video na hindi kaaya-aya sa ibang tao pero sa iba ay okay naman ito? Well, hindi naman natin may ikala na we cannot please everyone, pero natatakot ka bang baka ito ay ma-report at sa huli magkaroon ng violations sa community guidelines ni YouTube? Isa ka ba sa mga milyong tao na nandito sa YouTube na takot sa salitang demonetization? Well, wag po kayong mag-aalala. In this video, we will talk about the nature of demonetization and the ways on how we can minimize for getting demonetized. So, para po sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe dyan, please do subscribe and hit the like button, tap the notification bell behind of it so that you are updated to the videos that I have uploaded. So, wag na po natin itong patatagalin. Let's go for it and start with this video lesson. Demonetization. Sa jargon ng accounting, it has something to do to deprive of value for official payment o pag-stop using the monetary standard. In YouTube, content creators tend to describe this as an apocalypse. Bakit? They are denied to have a revenue and their income on the video hosting program is reduced. Thus, it might get affected your YouTube channel. Ang komunidad ng tagalikha ng YouTube ay dapat maging maingat tungkol sa kung ano ang pinag-uusapan sa bawat channel. Because in the end, it might get off ang mga ads ninyo. Dapat sundin ang mga YouTuber ang mga ilang mga pamantayan sa pamayanan at mga patakaran ng advertiser bilang bahagi ng YouTube Partner Program o itong ang nagsisilbing monetization mo na tumutukoy sa kanilang pagiging karapat-dapat sa programa. Gayunpaman, gumawa ng iba't ibang pagbabago ang YouTube sa mga paghihigpit na ito sa mga nagdaang taon upang mabawasan ang toxicity sa platform. Bakit nga ba tayo nade-demonetized? Ano nga ba ang dahilan nito? Well, the main cause of it is tayo ay nagbibigay ng isang channel o tagagawa ng mga nilalaman na hindi naman dapat karapat-dapat para sa demonetization sa YouTube ay binabaybay ang mga sumusunod. Una, the child safety violations. Sexualized content or any form of full nudity. Hate speech. Intent to scam, spam, or deceptive practices. Dangerous or harmful content such as dangerous stunts, violence, drugs, or promotion of non-medically approved remedies, among others. Harassment and cyberbullying. Duplicate or reuse content. Copyrighted content. Compilation content, which includes videos or music even if you are legally allowed to use it. But of course, we cannot deny the fact na may mga tao pa rin gumagawa nito because it might get interest for them to the viewers na that will be unique for it. Maybe some of it enjoying for watching of those, but others are not. So ano nga ba ang kinakailangan po natin? So later on, we will be discussing about another topic for the demonetization. Okay? So next step is... So while the YouTube's monetization policy isn't perfect, well, the gist is that we must follow the community guidelines, the terms of service, the copyright policy, the Google AdSense program policy, the channel monetization policy, and the ad-friendly content guidelines. that if we want to make money. While adhering to these regulations may appear to be the only method to ensure that our video monetization rights are protected, YouTube reserves the right to limit or remove monetization on a video-by-video basis. Well, meron po tayong sinasabing YouTube's algorithm na siyang nag-i-examine if yung mga videos na ating na-upload ay siyang ad-friendly and will analyze our material to see if it complies with the YouTube guidelines. Well, it may remove your films from the account monetization program. Paano nga ba natin maiiwasan ang mga ma-demonetized? Well, here are the things that we can do in order to minimize of being affected with this changing of algorithm. First, the creation of a standalone video streaming platform o magkaroon ng engagement in other platforms. Because of the detrimental effects of YouTube demonetization, particularly if it's the only source of money for our video production, it can be very devastating, right? You can establish your own video streaming platform and shift your business elsewhere in order to get yourself free of YouTube's clutches. Subscription is an excellent method for allowing our audience to view our content. Both your earnings and your audience are likely to expand, well, thanks to this strategy. So meron mga taong nagpo-promote ng video content nila through TikTok, while others on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Second, nurturing new customers using the YouTube, or use YouTube as a way to create networks. So in creating the own video streaming platform does not imply that we should abandon YouTube entirely, but we must still use YouTube to market our business and connect with the new clients who are searching for videos similar to yours. Because YouTube is the second largest search engine behind Google. It's a terrific place to locate individuals to sell to. And lastly, avoid getting to use above things to get your channel be diminished. Yung mga sinabi ko po kanina, na siyang ways that bakit nga ba tayo na-demonetized. Iwasan mga content na maaaring ikawala ng YouTube mo. Lahat ng pagod mo sa pag-edit, video at content ay mawawala dahil lamang sa paglabag ng mga palatuntunin sa YouTube. Be mindful that in every action, there's always a corresponding reaction. It might be not now, but it will come to an end. So kung ayaw mong mawala ang lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, enjoy vlogging. Use YouTube as an instrument to spread positivity. Ang demonetization sa YouTube ay isang seryosong issue para sa mga content creator. Ang YouTube ay nag-iisang mapagkukunan ng kita para sa maraming tao. Sa kabila ng katotohanang ikaw ang pinakamahalagang pag-aari ng platform mo, handa ang YouTube na magbayad ng mababang mga rate at asahan ang mataas na antas ng output habang pinapanatili ang kapangyarihan na kunin ang inyong pera. Kaya mag-enjoy lang sa paggagawa ng nilalaman sa inyong YouTube at huwag kakalimutan, marami kang kaibigan na susuporta sa inyo. So, para po sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below your reactions, and click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell behind of it so that you are updated to the videos that I have uploaded. So that is all about the nature of the demonetization, as well as how we can avoid or minimize the demonetized or being affected of this demonetization. So I hope that you've learned on this video, and see you for our next video vlog, and take care of you guys, and bye!
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가